Good morning, my name is Malachi. Big up yourself to the world.
Good morning, my name's Asher. Big up yourself to the world.
No, not me. Stop the plane and let me fly. My sick. Tell them for clear the way Lion Foot TV have hand tracks, a predator. No medication, shoulder. When you see the rover pull over, shoulder. Everybody in England has a shoulder. No medication. Lion Foot, head gone, shoulder left. When you come from, elbow back.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Another day in the struggle. Another day fi go hustle and tussle. Me say fi pay the bills and make the pot bubble. Nah, boss no gun, no drugs, me nah smuggle. No sir. Another day in the struggle. Another day fi go hustle and tussle. We pay the bills and make the pot bubble. Nah, boss, no gun, no drugs, me nah smuggle. Bless everyone, greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Anyone that big up on the damn self. Good morning! Just to come out for the work, you know what I mean? Go in and now, go relax and, you know what I mean? Bring the youth, them go school, coming back and we'll all sleep. You see me some hours, I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know, we started as usual. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, you know, health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so maybe you're going to please take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing, help someone if you can. We say equality, diversity, empathy, unity. Yeah man, I don't know. A vlog on the go saying, no, pick up all of my loyal subscribers and kings and queens, and I mean the inactive and active ones them. I don't know. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you're gonna subscribe, just click the bell please and thanks. Your support is highly appreciated. You know what I mean? I was give praises to the Most High for life, health and strength. If you wake up, you have two eyes them open and you can walk, you know what I mean, and talk and breathe a breath of fresh air. Ah, General! Ah, go on. Yeah, now finish, man. You saw me the drive past, you do head one here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go and do your black, I know you do your black.
That's how one, man. See, you subscribe?
Yeah.
Alright, sir.
I need for tap the notifications so I keep up with
Yeah, man,
the
so you get the thing.
Yeah.
Manners and respect, see?
None of my family.
Yeah, man, up there. General, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so. Yeah, man, I need that tree, you know? Joe! Selassie, holy man, we like Selassie, Cashapp, but not hypocrites and parasites. Yeah, man, the more they try to fight Lion Foot, the more we're stronger, you know? And strive, you see me? Because I don't know we're a real youth. You know what I mean? We're not perfect, but we do the thing real, though. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know if vlog on go on now. See me, where we did that now? Yeah. Be grateful for the little that you have, you know? Big up each channel for one, is it? Yeah, so. Just finished work. I'm gonna see this one Foota page. You see it? You know, Foota hype is a brother who I highly respect and adored. You know what I mean? Because anytime I reach out to him, he never shun me or blank my message, he always respond. See, more time he like me think them, one and two I block them. See, you know, I don't know. We are linked for a long time, you see me? On Gully side, yeah. Big up fully bad. You see me? Yeah, so Foota hype. You know, he's a vocal person who speaks his mind on matters. Once they become a public interest and out on the public domain, he touch on the topic and speak, he give his opinion. See, so now Spice. You see him back and post with Spice. See, Spice the headline, Pride, Toronto, 2022 LGBTQ Festival. So Foota say him surprised, him shocked. Not enough people surprised and shocked. But a life. So if you just leave people and make them do them thing, you know what I mean? You see, so you can't put your trust or your hopes on nothing right now, human or anything at all, because elements of surprise always arise. You see, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah man, so this is what Foota hype wrote. And I would like you to leave your opinion on it. And you know, me feel like, you know, If we just live, a lot of people make them live here, man. They can't tell everybody to live them life. Each to their own. You know that me always step on the platform. See, enough people tell me, say, I'm a Rasta and them sit there because the way I try to speak justifiably and truth and rights and make sense, you see me? Yeah. So big up Leela Ike and Jada Kingdom. Well, I don't know about Jada Kingdom, but I more feel Leela Ike pain. I know right now she's torn because she get a lot of passion. I mean, look, Jada, the energy I get from Jada Kingdom is like she no care. See? Big up Jada Kingdom, see me. But Leela Ike, I can feel her pain, I can sense her pain, and I'm going to touch on that in our next vlog. Because I don't know, psychologists, you know, we can sense things and know how people react and know them, you know what I mean? Before and after. Yeah, so this is what Foota Hype wrote. In all my 20 plus years as an established product of Jamaica and dancehall and reggae music, this is the first time I feel completely defeated, ashamed, embarrassed, weak, betrayed in my subconsciousness mind. I was confident that two people I would never live to see do this was Spice Official and Grand Godzilla. This now drives a serious fear in my subconsciousness that all hope is lost. This submission to the devil has become the new thing for dancehall artists, the new norm for our culture based on what I see going on is that moral values are no longer important. The only thing that matters is money. The preservations of our music, culture and righteous values don't count. Honestly, in the name of the Almighty, I was banking on hope that no matter what, Spice Official would never give in to something like I guess I was dead wrong. This is a big L. I don't know what the L for, but this maybe Lou or Lost. This is a big L for the ancestors of Jamaica and the music given to us by the Almighty. Money has officially poisoned and crippled our industry. Well, maybe this is a band show. If not, it would be sad that Spice Official wouldn't consider the well-being and career of her DJ after this. She might kill me, God no. So Foota, why you shame? Why, you know, right now you have to just expect anything, expect the unexpected. And you don't know, morals and them things is a thing where we have to honor and try to protect. But you have to let people live. You know, people make decisions because of certain reasons why, you know. And everybody, 7 brothers, 7 different minds. You know, you say you're a man of morals and you expect people to live up to the morals and the money and them things. And you see me what? You have to just make people live them life. I saw me see it right now. Me living in a foreign country change my ways of thinking amongst people. You see? I'm taught this many times, you know. I'm not involved with nobody limited as long as, you know, the respect there. You see? I have gay friends and families. You see me? Yeah. I work with them all and I would be a hypocrite if I burn fire upon them, even though, you know, it's wrong. But I don't know how that's life. And it's 2022, this now, 1980 or 1990. You see me? Things and time change. As we can see, new generation, new elevation, new rules and regulation. You know. Yes, so Spice I represent for the LGBTQ. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that. You see me I say? But in the comment section, you know, a few people commented like, you know, we see a person say, oh, Jaja. Dan Mafia say Jaja. Lockett say Jaja. BA people say Jaja. Yo, Sexy Sharonette say, you're really surprised? Are you joking? You surprised me saying you're surprised. Whoa, I think you know most of them too, girl. Oh, that sound. Yo, I expect to say Ricky Loss say, everybody I bow down to them. No, shake my head. New world order in play. Real talk. Make your money spice. The music gone to the dogs. All money is not good money. Shake my head. And a whole heap of comments, you know, over 500 odd comments from Foota page. So when you can go where they go see it and go, you see me? But when me I say live and let others live, you know what I mean? And that me say, you see me? Reach on my yard now, but I'm not ready to go in because I don't talk. You see it? Yeah, but I say live and make others live. I don't know. Me as an artist right now, if me get a proposal from them, I feel like I would take it, I wouldn't turn it down. As long as I know it's a business and I not go grounds out or, you know what I mean, stoop to them. Or, you know what I mean? But once a business, I will work with them. You see it? That's how I see it. You see me? Yeah, man. So I say, I don't care if you're straight or you're lean, or if you want to live your life dirty or clean. Mind me own a business, me not intervene. That's not my problem, you know what I mean. I me no care if you sell or you buy. Me no care if you're gay or you buy. No criticism not come from I and I. And your friendship me not deny. Live your life the way you want. Don't let nobody tell you can't. That's right, do as you like. It's a flipping life. Yeah. Don't know my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You don't know. Each to their own. And I just want to say, Lila Ike and Jada Kingdom, man, you know. Them get a whole heap of some heavy bashing, especially Lila Ike, but remember, she don't drive her to go and do something stupid like, you know, commit suicide. Because not everybody's strong. You see me? And I saw you go, that's life, you know. Yeah, she says she was raped, so we have to look into that and give her some sympathy on that behalf, you know what I mean, and give her time to heal, maybe she can change, you see it? So that's just my point of view. Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Right now, sleep, not sleep, you know. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell and share the content. Share, please and thanks. Make somebody here, please and thanks. I don't know, a lion foot vlog on the go with you. I would like to go. I'm out, not another word out of my mouth. Yeah, man, big up the general Foota, man. I saw you go, man, brother. You have to expect the unexpected. Zen? Yeah. Oh, channel man, first image of your device and a lion foot in the ears and eyes. I represent for the real Indian. They don't know Kaipo. Them say big up every massive, every crew. Yeah, man. Black Pan Black edition. You don't know, it's the 18th of December. Irish memories. You know, it's a slapper settings, elegant settings. See? So make sure you lock it down the diary and make it on a priority. Yes, man, the 18th of December. So I say just be prepared to come roll out with a good heart and a good mind and come have a good time. Yeah, man, I don't know, it's a location venue will be announced closer to the date. Zin? So stay tuned while more information coming soon. Yeah, man, I don't know, the 18th of December, Irish memories, Black Pan Black edition. Big up the whole Blackburn Pen, the whole Spain land. You see me I say, the whole Spanish town, Pienland, Anatown, big up everywhere. You see me I say, Saturn no say a word, shot no say a word. You see me I say, no man Kaipo no say a word. Your burglar no say a word. Tanto! Yeah, man, what wicked them Tanto. 18th of December, roll out! Yeah, man, Black Pan Black edition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.